Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. If you some reason you want to root your Mumu Player emulator, then this is the perfect video that you are looking for. First of all, guys, you have to download this folder. Don't worry, you will find the link in the description. The first step is really simple. You have to download this folder that I created. Don't worry, you will find link in this description. In this folder, everything is the command and most important links is there, so you don't have to go and Google it and waste your time. The first thing, you have to open the important link and copy this GitHub link that contain the magic files. So let's open the Chrome and paste the link, and there you have it. We have the Kitsume Magisk. Don't worry guys, it's just a modified version of Magisk for created for the emulator. So download the Kitsume Magisk 26.4 stable. You have to tap here to download. Okay, I already downloaded, so let's quit. And after you download it, you don't have to do anything. The second step is just open your emulator and create a new emulator, Android 12. Give it any name you like. I'll just create anything is fine. And now open the settings. Here you can choose whatever you like, your personal taste guys, but here it's up to you guys what you have to just do. You are doing for me the high is working fine, so I'm just going to do that. And here go inside the disk, writable system disk. This is really important guys, for this to root our emulator. But the real problem is, if you update your emulator, then all progress will be lost, so don't update your emulator. Okay, and the last, you have to go inside the other option. Here the root permission, just grant the root permission to this phone and save setting. Voila, and now start the emulator. Right now we don't need it this one, but I'm just going to be minimize it. So let the emulator load, so it might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Okay, so here is our emulator is started. Little bit updating is going on, I can see, but it's gone. So it's a stock emulator, is there it is. What happened? Okay, so it's just a refreshing. So here is our emulator, it's brand new. So right now I'm going to put this thing on the mini mode. So there it is. So right now we have to open our file manager, go inside the C drive, program files, look for the netc. You can see the Mumu Player global, and here you have to find the shell folder, and inside the shell folder, in this empty area, what you have to do is hold the shift and right click. You can see the open PowerShell window here, and that's what we needed. And right now I just don't needed this. So there is our emulator that you can see in the one side, and here is our command section. So right now you have to open the magic folder, open the command file 1, and the first thing first, what you have to type is adb. Don't worry guys, it's just so here you can see the scripting, and from here we're gonna use few of the commands. So first thing, we are going to use the adb kill server. So let's copy and right click to paste and just hit the enter. Once you kill the server, just start the new server. Here you can see the port, we got the port number, and that's the important thing, because as you know, when we do the fast boot devices or adb devices, we got the port number if the phone is connected, right? So that's why this port number is really important. That suggests our device is connected. So now connect this device to this channel through this server. Hit the enter and it will connect to this server. Once you do that, copy the another command and again paste. Once you do that, it will say thanks for using our emulator, happy coding, and this is your device number. That's imaginary device number that emulator is thinking. So here we have to now type the su and hit the enter, and here you can see now we have to grant this permission. So let's remember choice forever, allow it, and again I'm just going to add it the mini mode. So after you do that, copy another command that find our super user files, and there it is. Those files located on xbinsu and binsu is the same systems. So our first section is done, no fancy stuff. And second things, here you can actually see all those super codes that someone is written for the BlueStacks to root, and it's a read and remounted script. That's really important, guys. Without this script nothing works. Copy, paste. Once it's a paste, you will see this fancy window here. Like, now what you have to do is, now we have to install the Magisk. I'm just going to be drag and drop because it's already downloaded. So there it is, our Kitsame Magisk. Give it the permission. Here it will see it's installed now, and install it now, install Magisk, and Zygisk is not installed yet. So what we have to do is just tap on the install, and the specific option we are looking for is not here. So what you have to do is just close the Kitsame Magisk and reopen. Again go inside the install, and here you can see the modify system directly, and that's what we needed. So let's go. All done, good. And now we have to reboot, but you can't reboot from here, so just use this option. Again, maybe this emulator will take time, so it's depend on your PC speed how fast the emulator is load up again. So please be patient as always. Okay, our emulator is open, so that's good. Open the Kitsame Magisk again. Now it says a su binary not from the Magisk, su has been detected, blah blah blah. It's just a warning, and it doesn't it's not error, it just it's saying the stuff. So just tap as okay. And now you can see we have installed the Magisk 26.4 Kitsame, and Zygisk is not installed yet. So go inside setting, because Zygisk is most important. Without Zygisk the Kitsame is nothing. So it will say the reboot and apply changes. I'm glad. Again the restart. Now the restart game will start all the time. We have to do certain thing and install again. Okay, so it's the moment of truth. Okay, and as you can see, everything is there. The Zygisk is there. You can now install the modulars if you like. I already downloaded the modulars, like the LSPosed, so you can install that because it's very popular, LSPosed. So let's restart again. After waiting for a few minutes, our emulator is here. Now you can see we have successfully installed the LSPosed 2. Okay, where is the LSPosed? Now we have to install the APK. And I like to install the Greenify. Without Greenify I don't get feel of root. But right now let's open the LSPosed, and here you can see they activated, and now you can just download any of this plugin and it will be work. So let's go the Greenify. My device is rooted. Yes, grant the permission. You can see the Magisk is grant the permission. Let's go finish. And another app I like to really install is like this, the uninstall system apps. I love this app, the how uninstall it, everything. Why I like it about it, because before, if you see, we can't uninstall this app store or browser. I don't know why. We have a root permission, but we can't do that because we don't have a fully root permission. So that's why we need a Magisk to get things done, because Magisk. Oh, so let's uninstall all the stupid stuff that I don't even want. So like here, contacts, I don't want to use the contacts here, so let's uninstall it. Done. Once we reboot, everything will be gone from here. So let's restart, and we don't want that option. So right now you can see all those unnecessary apps are gone, and I like the clean interface. So here is our rooted emulator, and it is now super clean, no ads, no portware. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment box. As always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I